Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing and install the Carpuride 502B, which is designed for our BMWs and for my R1300. The reason why I went with Carpuride was a couple of reasons. One, with the discount that they give, it's only like 200 bucks shipped from China, right? So from China to Los Angeles, $203 to be exact, is what this thing is costing us, right? Doesn't have a huge, brain in it with a chip where it does a whole bunch of different things. It's just a screen, an extension screen for your phone, right? I do everything on my phone, everything, maps, text messaging, everything, all that. My whole world revolves around my phone. So I don't need the BMW connected navigator or any of that garbage, TomToms and Garmin's and all that. It's just not for me. My phone works perfectly. It's what I use, and this is going to be perfect for the bike. Secondly, this is the 5-inch. It is not the 7-inch. I've seen folks with the 7-inch, and honestly, I just think it's way too big. Bigger than the TFT. It just looks awkward, looks cluttered and jammed in there. The 5-inch is, I think, the perfect size. So that's what I went with. I know it's very popular now to put on the Chiggies. Those are great. I don't need cameras, right? That's another reason why I went with this. I don't need the cameras front and rear. And I don't want to replace the whole BMW connected cradle or mount that I have on the bike right now. So what I decided was this is the right thing for me. I don't want to, move wires or and navigate wires through the bike on the for the Chiggy and stuff. This is all I needed. It attaches right to the bike onto the BMW connected mount, and that's it. So let's take a look. I'm going to do this one-handed, and here you are. So that's what it looks like. There's the screen. It came from China in like 6-7 days. So there you go. There you have it. That's the back of the mount that mounts directly to the BMW connected mount on the bike, and some of the wiring stuff. All right, so we got that. It looks like we got some accessories here. Oh, even comes with a RAM mount, one of these RAM mounts and stuff like that. So if you wanted to put it somewhere else, that's kind of cool. I'll probably use that or for something else, or maybe not use it at all. And I guess this is, I don't know what this is, but we'll figure that out as we go. It comes with a nice little wrench, an extra fuse, and some user manuals. So let's get into it. So for the 502B that I ordered right for the BMWs that have the cradle already, the instructions actually say you got to remove the ball in order to put the cradle in together. I didn't have to do it because they had already done it for me. Just probably because I ordered the 502B, and that's why they have this RAM mount version, right, for other motorcycles that don't have the BMW connected mount. And so all of these other ones, right, I'm assuming are just to run power to the battery, right, on different motorcycles and whatnot. But because I have the BMW connected mount on the bike already, all I have to do is just plug this in, like I would mount, the connected navigator, and that's it. So these are all just going to be extra, I guess, for a different bike. So you don't need those as well if you have that BMW connected mount. All right, guys, here it is. It installs very, very easily, right? If you know how to install any of the BMW navigators onto one of these mounts, super easy, right? Key, pull out, push in, pops out the cover, and I just place this one on. That's it. It's simple as that. Works super well. I found a way to make it look super clean in there. There it is, right? So it's in there. I just kind of fiddled with the wiring and stuff, but it's there, so it's super clean. Comes in from underneath, and that's it. So here's the moment of truth. Does it work? Let's find out. Turning the bike on. Boom. Okay. Well, now let's see how I connect my phone and the Bluetooth in my helmet for my speakers. And we'll troubleshoot if anything comes up. So here it is, guys, all connected. Everything works pretty well. Had to figure out how to connect my helmet, the Cardo unit, to that and then have everything play and work. So what I did was, the first thing I did was connect the Bluetooth Cardo, right, my helmet, to my phone, first and foremost. That's very important. After you do that, that's when you can go into the Carpuride and connect the CarPlay, right? And it'll tell you how to do it, right? You can go to settings, you know, you'll find your passkey and all that. And then this green box right up here will turn into the Apple CarPlay bug or logo, whatever you want to call it. And that's it. And then you just go to CarPlay, and it's literally identical to my phone. And you could customize all these apps via the CarPlay section of your phone in the settings menu, and you could adjust these however you want, right? So you have your phone, you have your maps, all of that. I got people calling me. So yeah, works perfect. I could hear the music, and that's it. So that's how it looks. That's how it's connected, right? So for $203, absolute no-brainer. Absolute no-brainer. So that's it.